Hi folks, Michael from DoneDone here, and today I wanted to talk to you about a problem that we experience, and I'm sure you all do as well, where you're in a project. In this case we're in the content calendar project, and you're just seeing way more tasks than you would like to see at any given time. So in this particular case, we've created a project to track our content creation tasks, and right now we're working on two big categories of tasks. One is about product management and one is about shared inbox software. So what I've done is use tags and custom filters to help me narrow in on the work I want to see at any given time. So what I've done is create a custom filter called All My Active Product Management. And you can see that's taken me from a list of almost 20 or so items down to 5 that are about product management. And then I even took it a step further and made a custom filter just for product tasks that are assigned to me. And you can see in this case, 4 out of those 5 tasks are assigned to me. So I've got some work to do. So how do you do that? I will show you right now. So if we head back to our full list of just all the active work we have in this project, I will make a custom filter that only shows me tasks that are about shared inbox software and tasks that are assigned to me as well. So I'll go ahead and create a custom filter. I'll name it appropriately. In this case, it should be named something like My Shared Inbox Software Tasks. I only want to see tasks that are assigned to me, so I'll choose myself as the assignee. I'm only looking for tasks that have the shared inbox software tag. And then I only want to see tasks that are still in some type of active status. So in this case, it's basically all the statuses except complete and canceled or closed, because those statuses mean that the tasks are essentially either finished or we've closed them out because we decided not to move forward with them. I'll go ahead and create that custom filter. And you can see now I have a custom filter named My Shared Inbox Software Tasks, and we've narrowed down that list from nearly 20 pieces of work just to these 2, so I can focus on the work at hand. So go ahead and try this out in your own account, and we're excited to see what you get done in DoneDone.